Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I am using the Intrinsic Limitless kit and some a la carte goodies and probably some goodies from the Essentials kit as well. So let me show you a couple of the things I'm looking at to start. I have got this gorgeous piece of paper. It's from Reminisce Airship Dream, and I am digging on this side. It's got this whole like patina rust something, right? Then I've got this piece here from Simple Stories, Boho Baby Tiny Miracle, and I used it on my last layout I did. I'm layout number 2 for this month, and I just have to use it again. I think it is so stinking cute that, yeah, it's just gonna kind of be the star of the show on this one as well. It's how it is. Wait, I have to come towards me, right? Yep, okay. So I'm gonna do the major portion of my layout with this. Not a big deal. I wasn't trying to do it right now and it just started happening, and so let's just finish. All right, so I've got that coming across. Totally like that. I'll cut off the branding strip, of course. Now, this cardstock cut is in the a la carte section. Life is a journey. And what I think I want to do with that is cover it with these Nuvo stone drops and let them dry. So I'm going to do that next. So that's going to give me this really nice texture, this stone texture on my title. And I think that would be super fun. Great. I have that going. Oh, I didn't even show you my photo. This is my photo. This is my daughter Shay, and she was in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and they were walking about, and look at how gorgeous it is up there. So I thought that would be perfect for Life is a Journey. And guys, there's so much that I want to show you. I've got to use this gorgeous cut. I love it. It's, you know, a compass. So I'm going to get out some Distress Oxides and color that up. Phew. And I may come in even with this mushroom because it is beyond adorable. So I have got a lot going on. There's so many things that I want to use, and I want to use them all. I love these charms. So those might come in with the twine that comes, you know, in the packaging. I always save the twine, like it comes in such handy. So I've got some things to do. I want to go ahead and map my photo with just some white cardstock. I think I will steal that from our page kit because there was white cardstock in there. And I want to get going on my title so it has plenty of time to dry. So I'm going to do those things and I'll come back in a bit. I thought I'd bring you along. I wanted to turn this just a little bit brickier, so I brought a little bit of this color into my Nuvo paste. And guys, the color is gorgeous for this. So I just popped a little bit on this palette with a little palette knife and grabbed some, mixed it in, and I'm going to have this nice pinky red that really looks gorgeous with this boho collection. I love, love, love this Stone Nuvo, and I hope we get it again because just even working with it, you feel this stony kind of texture, and it is a pleasure. So I thought I'd bring you along with this fun little journey of pretty much just coloring up my Nuvo. I think it's a blast to do this kind of stuff. And you get to know your product. Just jump right in there and do it, guys. It is so fun to play. So y'all, look at how cool that looks with all of that texture. So I'm just gonna go ahead, set it aside to dry, and we'll pop it on our layout later. But I just thought I'd show you that it is the coolest, like the texture is the coolest. So guys, I went ahead and popped this scrap together. This is just the front and the back of the rainbow paper, and went ahead and put some foam adhesive, not foam adhesive, some dimensional foam on the back of it because I want to pop it up. And the reason why is you see all of these amazing charms. I want to kind of hang them from it. Well, basically false hang them. I'm going to use that twine and put it as if they're hanging from it. But they won't really hang it, I don't think. I don't know. We'll see. And I thought that they would look super cute, just kind of like that. And then I've got this fab blue. I can string it through it, and I thought that would be a super cute way to have all of those charms in this little section. Now this bit right here, I folded up, scuffed, folded, whatever, the bottom and the top, so you can see a little bit of that black and white polka dot as well. I love the look of it. Now I haven't matted my photo up or anything like that. I only have the white on it, so I have to do that. I just started like playing with all this stuff and was having such a good time. And my Life is a Journey is about dry, so I'm gonna pop that slightly wet. I'm gonna pop it up on a bit of dimensional foam so that we can see it a little bit better against all of this. Phew. And I'll meet you right back here. Okay, so I think I want, where did I put my adhesive, guys? I think I want to go ahead and tack this mustard colored piece down. And then I've got my photo sitting on top of kind of this rust color. Hold on, let's see if this one works. I'm trying to use up some of these little bits anyway, so it'd be good to use up some of these little things. And these are just these gorgeous pieces from 49 a Market. So let's go ahead and do this since I think I have to refill my ATG. So I'm going to have that. Now I've got my title, right? And I want to make sure that there's room for it. It's going to hang off a little bit, but I thought it would look so cool, like partially on there. So there we go. That's my plan for that. Let me get a piece to be able to make sure that these are pretty straight. Guys, isn't that just fab? It's just fantastic. Okay. What I'm saying isn't that fantastic? I mean this title with this stone stuff. I cannot get enough. So, got the eye, the little bit for the eye there. So I have that. Oh, and then let's go ahead and get this piece tacked down. Guys, this is like the smallest little adhesive thing. I don't even know where it came from. Isn't it cute? So I'm going to go ahead and pop that down as well. Want to make sure that at least the photos on there pretty straight. Oh, and you can see up above that I hung all of my cute little charms. I think that, let me show you, aren't they just cool hanging up there? So that's giving a nice little splash for all of these goodies up here. Thinking I might have to shimmy my photo. Maybe I'll just make it a big block. That's all right, because I want to put this piece on, but it definitely needs to get popped up on some dimension. Phew, guys, there's so much going on. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop this up. And this doesn't really even mean anything. This piece right here, I just really liked it and it matched really nicely. Okay, I have that. Now, I do have this piece here, and I think that would be really cool in this title cluster. I went ahead and used lots of Distress Oxides and painted up my compass, and I love the way it came out. You see one little bit, I'm like, does that need to come off? Yeah. So lots of Distress Oxides, all kinds of colors. Sorry, I got glue on my hand. And I thought that would be fab. So I have these pieces hanging down pretty straight because I was like, do I want to wonky that or put it up? What do you guys think? I might put it straight only because I have so much going on that, you know, with all the pattern papers, it can be a lot if you have everything on the wonk, you know? All right, so we have that. Great. So clearly the base of this layout is fully done. I only have to just kind of see what I want to add, like enamel dots or little bits. So I'm going to take some time with it. I love that I was able to use that blue twine. I think that's fantastic. I don't have room for my cute little mushrooms because I helped building this out, so that's fine. We can use those at a later time. It's okay. We've got our nice title. I'm thinking of coming in with these dark enamel dots to start making a little cluster with them. Cute little ones. And I'm going to do the same thing opposite right over here on this bottom piece. I don't think I'm going to add a ton to this. I might, you know, put a little something else, but I totally love these metal pieces and the title piece. I think that it is like, it's awesome. Okay, so I am going to go ahead, look at the rest of those little 49 a market pieces, see if there's anything else I want to go ahead and tuck in. And I will be back in a second, guys. I'm just loving it. So I thought I would share how well this little project's going. It's a blast. I'm just finishing up and I found the cutest little mushrooms that were part of the 49 market die cut packs, and I just went ahead and fussy cut around them. They were just in a bigger piece, but I wanted them nice and cute and small. So I'm going to have that come right down here as part of my title cluster. Got another mushroom over here, some leafy bits. And guys, that is my finished layout. Just bend up my edges a little bit like I tend to do. And I'm going to get some still shots for you guys. I will go ahead and put the links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, the Facebook group, and the blog. So you can see everything the design team's up to, what subscribers are doing with these fab kits. And, oh, and the challenge this month was a scrap lift challenge. So I think that one's a really fun one. I scrap lifted one of my friends that's on the DT. But yeah, you guys scrap lift something, either, you know, a subscriber, a DT member, whatever you are feeling. I think that would be really fun to see what your guys' take is on all of that. So yeah, I'm just doing a little bit of bendy bend so I can see some of the color beneath things, make it look just a little bit more rustic, a little bit more outdoorsy. And that is what I have for you guys today. So super fun. I loved it. I had a blast creating this. And guys, I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, my friends. Bye, guys. Oh, still shots right there.